Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's your boy King Yadaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on Audjpy, and it's actually it's a continuation of a Audjpy trade that I was in yesterday. Well, actually today, and we had this news come out with the Fed rates, the Fed funds rates at let's see, right at 2 p.m. FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, and this one right here, the federal funds rate. So this came out as 0.25%, which they're gonna keep it like that. That's the set rate. That's the plan. That's the projections they're trying to maintain, right? Then he had this press conference. Mr. Powell had this press conference at 2:30 p.m. and this happened. So I was in a buy position, right? You see at 1400 hours down there, you see 1400 hours here, right? So that's when the news came out, and that's what happened. Boom. All my stop losses got hit. I had like multiple positions open, buy positions, and as you can see, I was kind of anticipating this breakout right here. You know what I'm saying? This entry right here is from the prior trade, so it's a small position. So it didn't get the stop loss on this. I was planning on holding this for a long time, like to swing it like for a couple months or something like that, just to catch the overall movement. Because let's see, let's go up to the daily. Damn, I got lines all over the place. Yeah, so as you can see, we're kind of on the verge of like breaking out. You know what I'm saying? All-time highs is right here. So I was planning on taking the buy to catch this to go up like all around 88, somewhere around there, you know. But unfortunately, the Feds had their calendar set and they didn't really switch things around just for me. You know what I'm saying? So all my stop losses got hit except for one, which was this one right here. And I just bought the dip. I started entering as I saw price hold the S3. We started making higher lows. First entry position right here. This buy entry at 84. Let me see. Let's see what it says exactly. First buy entry at 84,295. Second buy entry at 84,324. And third buy entry at 84, I think it's 420. Yeah, 84,420, right? And my stop loss is basically where did I put my stop? Let me see. Let me check over at MetaTrader, so I'll give you the correct information. My stop is 83,930. All right, so let me put in that stop right there. 83,930. So yeah, that's my trade, man. I'm planning to take these back up to the top here. Let's see, where is the top? Let's go up to the 4 hour. Right, so I'm taking these positions here, these 3 positions. Most likely it's around, because I'm not really setting any take profits. I'm gonna just trail my stop, you know what I'm saying? And as it creates structure, that's basically my strategy. As it creates structure, let's see, let's go back to the 1 hour so I can kind of explain this. Yeah, so if we're coming up in an uptrend, right, let's see if we get some upward movement, right, like around here. Let me show you my strategy, right? So I'm trailing stops. If I bought around here, let's say I bought this breakout, this is kind of my style. I would buy this breakout here. My stop would be below structure, like around here, right? If it's a smaller position, widen my stop to around here, and then I would let price run, pull back, and then run again. Now I would trail my stop up to here, right? Once we catch that next run, I'm adding to my position right here as we break these highs, and I'm putting my stop for this position right here to here. So it basically comes around to be like a break even. And as we go up, pull back a little bit, and we push again, my stop goes up to here, right? And as we pull back, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. If I don't get stopped out and we push again, then I'm trying, as we come back down here and we start creating these levels, I'm putting my stop up here. And then if we break this, then I'm out. So I'm catching this to this by trailing my stop. So that's how I kind of take my profits and stuff like that. I don't really have much luck in just setting a take profit and it hitting my take profit. That doesn't really happen for me too much. Hopefully it starts to do that, you know what I mean, as I get more experience and stuff like that. Let's see, let's go down to the 15 minutes, see what price is doing. Right, so 2 of my trades right now, 2 of my positions are in profit, and this one just went into the negative. This to buy position right here. And looking over at my P&L, is not by much really. So we're banking on this support right here, and then the push up again, you know. We got R3, so we kind of having some difficulty at R3, but I think we're gonna just pivot over here and just move up, because the next thing the next reason I bought this, right, is because this move right here is temporary. I don't believe that this is going to change the trend, right? I don't think none of this stuff here is going to change the trend. The only thing that might change the trend, because this had a reaction as well, right? So let's look at the US dollar. So this is the US dollar, right? This is the US dollar chart. This had a reaction as well, right? This one here, I'm not too sure about it not sustaining that, because it had like this let's see, let's go to the daily. Right, so if you look at this, right, it's basically like it's like a head and shoulders pattern. Let me take off some of this stuff so it's clearer, so you can see it better. Right, let me take off some of those trend lines. I could always draw those back. That might be confusing right now. I forgot how to select all of that, delete it all at once, so bear with me. Right, so this was the reaction here, right? But look at the overall pattern on this, right? So we were pushing down, started to move sideways, had a little pop, push down again. So this whole thing right here, I call this my first shoulder, right? So we had the pop, this is the first shoulder, right? Then we had this big pop up right here, so this is the head right here, right? And then we had this pull down, and we had this little pop, right? To me, all this right here was my second shoulder, right? And I was hoping or just anticipating that we get the flush down from the head and shoulders, right? Just to continue the trend, basically. Because look at the trend. Let me make it smaller, right? Because a lot of people be saying all kind of stuff about the US dollar. It's in an uptrend and all of that. No, the US dollar is not in an uptrend. I mean, I don't know, am I the only one looking at this chart, man? Like, it's clearly in a downtrend. Clearly, man. Right? Like, even if we're judging this from here, right? The breakout of this downtrend is sideways. It's not even upward movement. That's still a downtrend, man. This could just fall off easily. You know what I'm saying? This is basically a bear flag, right? But, you know, people be saying that, you know, the dollar is in an uptrend and stuff like that. I be thinking like, man, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm stupid. Am I blind or something? I'm definitely not blind. I just showed it to you, right? But hey, man, everybody interprets the chart as you know, on their own. You know what I'm saying? I guess they're gonna look at this and say this is an uptrend, or this is an uptrend, or maybe this, or maybe this. But anyway, so yeah, yo, that's my thesis on this pop-up right here. It's not permanent, only for the US dollar maybe, but for all other stuff I don't think the pop-up is permanent. You see on MUB, this is the bonds. I know some of y'all on Forex, y'all don't really look at the bonds market and stuff, but you need to, trust me. You know what I'm saying? So we had that reaction right here. You see that's in an uptrend as well. It's just like a little reaction. This is not going to take hold as a new trend to come down. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Go back to where we at. Yeah, man. So that's my trade on Audjpy right now. I think I messed up my charts, man. Let me put this back. Yeah, I messed up my charts a little bit. No. Oh, it's a different chart. Let's see. Put that back. No, I want that to be Japanese basket, right? Cool. And I want it to be US dollar. Cool, that's it right there, my boy. So yeah, that's my trade on Audjpy. You know what I mean? This reaction here is temporary. It's a good buying opportunity, and you know, we're taking it back up. Couple of take profits up here. Well, I'm just basically eyeing it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we get back above or back to this level, maybe in this session, or above this this downtrend line right here. And hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know what I mean? That's trading. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yadiya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And y'all trade safe and stay blessed.